Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a traditional menudo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by prepping our honeycomb, tripe, and beef feet. Here I already have it all nice and rinsed, and I also cut it into 1-inch pieces. So we're just going to place them in our bowl. Add 3/4 cup of lime juice and cover it with the rest with water. To that, I'm also going to be adding the peel of 2 limes, and this is just going to remove the funky smell from the honeycomb tripe. So just allow it to sit for 2 hours. Okay, so after 2 hours, we can now get ready to make our menudo. So we're going to take this to the sink so we can drain all of the water and give it another rinse. Okay, so here I have my 32 ounces of white corn pozole that I had soaking overnight. As you can see, they have doubled in size, so make sure not to skip this step. So once we have that, we're just going to drain the water and give them another quick rinse. Okay, and once we have it all ready, we can take it to the stove. Okay, now to our pot with 5.5 quarts of water, we're going to set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add the salt, the cow's feet, and honeycomb tripe. And now allow it to come to a second boil. Okay, at its second boil, we're going to skim the top of our pot. Now here we're going to add our pozole, our onion, head of garlic, bay leaves, epazote, and 1 tablespoon of menudo mix or oregano. Going to cover it, reduce the heat to medium-low, and allow it to cook for 2 hours. Alright guys, so after 2 hours, going to open our pot, and here we're going to remove the onion as well as the head of garlic. And we're going to reserve 1 cup of the hominy. Okay, so once we have that, now we can get ready to make our sauce. Okay, to our saucepan, we're going to add our New Mexico or Guajillo chile pods, along with our chile ancho. Cover them with water, set it over high heat, and bring it to a boil. Okay, and as soon as our chiles come to a boil, turn it off. Transfer the chile pods to the blender cup. So now we can get ready to blend. Okay, now to the blender cup, we're going to add our reserved hominy, 1/4 of an onion, 5 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and we're going to cover everything with water. Okay, now blend it to smooth. Ready? And once we have our sauce, we can take it back to the stove. Okay, so now we're going to add our sauce to our pot. Strain it if you need to. I'm going to add more water to my blender cup. Okay, now just mix it. We're just going to allow it to simmer so we can taste it for salt. Okay, once the menudo comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But for me, this is perfect, so we're just going to close it and allow it to continue cooking for another 30 to 45 minutes. Alright guys, and after 45 minutes, our delicious menudo should be done. Of course, make sure that you check the tripe and the hominy to make sure that it is fully cooked. But just like that, we have our delicious menudo, so now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm going to begin by squeezing some lime juice. I'm going to add some onion, some cilantro, some crushed oregano and pepper, and of course some chile de árbol. And I like to enjoy it with my bolillo bread. But just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that making menudo, it's seriously so easy. It's honestly super delicious. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So perfect. It's a little spicy, but of course, if you use chile guajillo, your menudo is not gonna be spicy at all. But this right here, so perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious traditional menudo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like the recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.